name is Cole, and this is my POL, or Presentation of Learning. So, in this story, or presentation, this little dot is going to represent me. So, I had a normal life, just walking around, and bam, Cave of Wonders. So, the Cave of Wonders actually represents MPX, and it is said in ancient letters that if you go and pursue through the Cave of Wonders, you will receive knowledge, or this great treasure, which actually is knowledge. So, to get through the Cave of Wonders, you must first surpass the 5 challenges, which is actually some struggles I had in MPX. So I entered the cave, and my first challenge began. MPX builds. In MPX, we were assigned partners, and we had to build things together. So, for example, we built our hydroponic system, which will eventually grow plants. We also built a plant table. So this hammer here represents the skills that I have already. So I used that hammer to defeat the first challenge. And I got the electric drill, which gave me math and tool skills. In the future, you will need to know. In the future, you'll need these skills. Math, you use it every day, and tools if you're gonna make anything. So these skills are really important if you want to be an architect or an engineer, mechanic. The second challenge, KCC cooking classes. So we went to a field trip at KCC, and we took along the same teammates that we had, and we prepared food together. So we had to follow instructions, and then we made food. So I used my trusty egg beater to defeat cooking classes. In the end, I got the electric automatic egg beater, which gave me math and cooking skills. We used math in the cooking challenge when we had to measure and convert substances, like from cups to liters and so on. We'll use math skills every day, no matter what. And you'll use cooking skills if you ever want to eat food, or unless you're that rich. But, yeah. So, this third challenge, Hero's Essay. We were assigned to choose a hero that had major significance in our life, and we had to research them and interview them. And we had to write an essay about them. Here's my essay. And I chose my 8th grade teacher, Mrs. Turner. Then after we finished making this essay, we had to go out in the gallery and present what we've made with public people, random people. And I used my mighty pencil to defeat this challenge. And in the end, I got the mechanical pencil, which gave me writing and speech skills. You use writing in life in college, and if you have a business job, or mostly anything. And speech, you use speech if you have a business job, if you're going to talk to people, anything like that. The next challenge, science. So for this in particular case, we had to watch an assigned video, then take notes about it. then make this map out of a animal cell. We also had to research things by ourselves and make sure that we knew what each part of the cell was. I used my mighty magnifying glass to feed science, and with that, I got the microscope, which gave me improved science and math skills. You'll use science if you're going to be a doctor or a scientist, and math, you will use it no matter what. The last and final challenge, Socratic circles. So we had assigned reading to read, and once we read it, we came back the next day and we had to circle up and talk about it. This really made us elaborate and think instead of just straight reading it and taking a quiz. So this really made the information stick in our heads. We also, for the people who weren't circled up, they had to go online to this website and kind of like comment like a peanut gallery. So at the end, I got the iPad, which gave me improved speech and literature skills. You'll use speech if you're gonna have a job in business or just talk to people, and literature, you'll use it everywhere to read signs, books, things like that. And since this year isn't done yet, it's to be continued.
Thank you, Cole. Cole, could you please tell me the biggest challenge for you in creating this QL?
Writing the script was pretty challenging. I had to determine what I was going to say, how I was going to say it.
That's great. Thank you. Any other questions for Cole?